What's good?
Yo.
Let me hear something, B.
I got you, bro. I'm working on this little beat right here, man. Hold on, I got something for you. Listen, Real Life Music Group, Fetty A, Max, Sonny. This shit gonna go hard, son. Watch, this shit gonna go hard right here. Yo. I beat the beat up, kick my feet up, get my meat sucked, 100 stacks on the re-up. Cause I'm trying to be the best when it's over, the next crown holder. And I got the West on my shoulder, the number block, nigga, spit 100 shots, nigga. And if you looking for me, I'm on the top, nigga. Where it go down, kids go down. Mom Dukes crying, swimming in their tears and drown. It's fucked up, some made it out, they lucked up. These niggas like bitches get pretty and stuck up. Do the math, I see my shooter blast, but I can't cause I'm focused on getting newer cash, newer money. Look, I done grew a tummy cause I eat more, guess I'm in the streets more. It's RLMG, and I'm in it till them hammers put a nail in me. If they miss it, ain't gonna be bailing me. Just did a bid, I ain't got no gel in me, but I do like before I think of telling B. Harden up like they cook that fish scale in me. Man, I'm hot, keep looking, I'm cooking, don't drop the pot. I flow a whole bird, these niggas done dropped the rock. You can catch me on the Southboard shuffling. You don't know what that means? Then I'm on the Southboard hustling, serving everybody. Shit got thick, it's 200 a brick, so now we serving everybody. Niggas, real. Oh, I said I was the best from the start. I look down on niggas, it's just less stress on my heart, nigga. Ah.